If you love hanging baskets, here are 6 easy trailing plants growing in my garden. Each one has its own unique beauty and is simple to grow with basic care. Let's begin with the turtle vine. Its lush cascading stems spill beautifully over the edges of the pot, creating a graceful green waterfall. It's one of the easiest trailing plants to grow and looks wonderful in hanging baskets. Next is baby tears. Its tiny leaves form a soft green cascade that brings a fresh, delicate look to any space. This charming plant is perfect for hanging baskets and small containers. Pellionia is admired for its attractive patterned foliage. Even without flowers, its colorful leaves make it an eye-catching trailing plant for shaded gardens. Creeping Charlie stands out with its rounded, scalloped leaves and vigorous growth. It quickly fills a hanging basket with lush green foliage and is very easy to maintain. Tangled Heart is another beautiful trailing plant with a neat cascading habit. Its attractive foliage and easy growing nature make it an excellent choice for hanging containers. Finally, here's Episcia. Its velvety leaves are beautiful throughout the year, and when the flowers appear, they make this lovely trailing plant even more attractive. These are some of my favorite trailing plants growing in my garden. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy plants and biodiversity, please consider subscribing. Until next leaf, stay green.